will discuss exercise. You already read in class 6 and 7 also what is hardware, what is software, how many types of hardware, how many types of software, etc. First of all, we discuss what is hardware. Computer hardware, physical part of the computer system. Listen carefully. Physical part of the computer system which we can touch, feel, and see is known. We can touch and feel. It is smooth, soft, hard. We can feel not. Physical part of the computer system which we can touch and feel, see, is known as computer hardware. For example of computer touch, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And we can feel it is soft or smooth, hard, like that or not.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who have just entered on meeting, please fill up attendance sheet. And you have problem to fill up link, you write on chat box your name and roll number. Name and section. And then computer hardware is divided into 4 parts. Computer hardware is divided into 4 parts. Input device, processing device, output device, or storage device. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All you have book now?
Yes, ma'am.
Then go to page number
35, 34.
34. 34. Listen again. What is computer hardware? Physical part of the computer system. Physical part of the computer system which we can touch, feel, and see is known as computer hardware. For example of computer hardware, keyboard, mouse, printer, speaker, monitor, etc. Computer hardware is divided into 4 parts. Computer hardware is divided into 4 parts: input device, output device, CPU, central processing device, memory unit or storage unit. Input device. The input device is device which is used to enter. Input device is device which is used to enter data information in a system. Without input device, we can't enter any information in a computer system. Your input data in a computer system. For example, keyboard, mouse, microphone, joystick, etc. is most popular input device. Keyboard. With the help of keyboard and mouse, we can type or write question or not. Amala, help of input device. We arise question, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose our keyboard is not working, then with the help of mouse, we can type question or not. How we can type from mouse? Tell me how we can type in computer with the help of mouse.
I don't.
Can you hear me, student?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is cracking, ma'am.
Your voice is cracking.
Ma'am, Abhishek
This video of yours.
is putla.
We cannot type, ma'am.
With the help of mouse, we can also type. Screen keyboard. With the help of screen keyboard, we can type. Listen, what is input device? The first part of hardware is input device. The device which we use to enter data and information in a computer system. With the help of keyboard and mouse, we can type any question to computer. The device which we use to enter data and information in a computer system is known as input device. The most popular input device is keyboard and mouse. Next part is CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also known as System Unit, and it is also known as brain of the system. It is also known as the brain of the computer system. Without input device, without CPU, we cannot imagine our computer. And CPU is divided into three parts. CPU is divided into three parts: CU, ALU, and MU.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, processing device. Processing device is also known as system unit. It is also known as central processing unit, and it is also known as brain of the computer system. CPU is divided into three parts. CPU is divided into three parts: CU, ALU, and MU. CU means control unit, ALU means arithmetical logical unit, and MU means memory unit, and it's also known as register array. Up to here, anyone confusion?
No. No, ma'am.
CU means control unit. CU means control unit. It controls all the activities of the computer system. It controls and execute all the activities of the computer system. Understood? CPU. First part is CU. CU stands for control unit. Control units control and coordinates all the activities of the computer system. Next is the ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit. It is generally used for mathematics. Arithmetic logical units solve arithmetic problem as well as logical problem. Arithmetic problem like plus, minus, multiplication, division, and mode. Arithmetic problem is like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and mode. And logical problem is like equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, etc. Understood what is ALU?
Yes, ma'am.
ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. It solves arithmetic as well as logical problem. Arithmetic like plus minus. Arithmetic भनेको plus minus multiplication and mode. हुन्छ. Logical भनेको के हुन्छ? Tell me. Logical means comparison. Logical भन्ने comparison like equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, etc. MU means memory unit. The place where we store data and information temporarily or permanently. The place where we store data and information temporarily or permanently is known as computer memory. How many types of computer memory? Who will tell? Please raise your hand.
Ma'am, what?
The place where we store data and information temporarily or permanently is known as computer memory. Tell me, human memory is brain. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hamro pe memory kyo? Brain. Brain.
Two. Ma'am, there are two types. RAM and ROM.
Wrong. There are two types of computer memory, but not RAM and ROM. Primary memory or secondary memory. Understood?
Yes.
How many types of computer memory?
Two
There are
types.
two types of computer memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Understood? In brain, listen, in brain we stored information. Yes or no? हाम्रो ब्रेनमा इन्फर्मेसन हुन्छ अनि हाम्रो ब्रेनमा इन्फर्मेसन के हुन्छ? सम इज पर्मानेन्ट एन्ड सम इज टेम्पररी. यस अर नो?
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
कुरा हामीलाई याद हुन्छ धेरै दिनसम्म, धेरै लङ इयरसम्म हामीले त्यो हाम्रो मेमोरीमा स्टोर हुन्छ, द्याट मिन्स द्याट मेमोरी इज पर्मानेन्ट मेमोरी. Sometimes we forget that is known as temporary memory. The place where we store data and information temporarily or permanently is known as computer memory. There are two types of computer memory: primary memory or secondary memory. Understood? Any confusion in parts of computer, parts of CPU?
No, ma'am.
How many types of how many parts in CPU is divided?
3.
Tell me answer. 3 parts. Yes, our
ma'am.
CPU is divided into 3 parts. CPU is divided into 3 parts. Tell me
Three
name.
parts.
Control unit.
Control unit,
Automatic logic
memory
Very good.
unit.
CU, ALU, MU. CU, ALU, and MU. And which coordinate and control all the activities, which parts of CPU? Which parts of CPU control and coordinate all the activities? CU. Very good. And which computer part is used for mathematical calculation?
ALU.
And ALU, which type of mathematical calculation solved?
Division,
Type of mathematical calculation solve ALU?
addition,
Two
subtraction,
types.
Addition and
Two types. No. Listen, two types of calculation. It's arithmetic. One is arithmetic, another is logical. Understood? Arithmetic means plus, minus, multiplication, division. Arithmetic means plus, minus, multiplication, division. And logical means comparison. Less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal, etc. Understood? How many types of arithmetic ALU divided? ALU solve two type of mathematical problem. One is arithmetic, another is logical. And which CPU part store data and information temporarily or permanently? MU.
MU.
Very good. Next, our hardware. Our computer hardware divided into 4 types. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Computer hardware is divided into 4 types. Number 1,
Input device.
input device. Number 2,
Processing device.
processing device. Processing device is also known as CPU. And number 3,
Output device.
output device. Now, output device are used to display information after processing raw data from the processing unit. Last result of the computer, last result of the hardware, last result of any device, that is known as output device. Output device show the final result of any information. Output device is used to give final result of any information. In another term, we can say that output device are used to display information after processing raw data. The example of output device is like monitor, printer, speaker, plotter. Example of output device: monitor, printer, speaker, plotter. Number 1 is monitor. Number 2 is a printer, and number third is speaker. Understood? What is output device? Final result of raw data. Final result of raw data is known as output device. The example of output device is monitor, printer, speaker, etc. An output device. How many types of output device?
Types.
Two. Very good. Two types of output device. Tell me name.
Soft copy and hard copy output.
Very good. There are two types of output device. There are two types of output device. Soft copy output and another is a hard copy output. Listen. Soft copy output display screen and audio sound. Out the device which produce on display screen and audio sound is known as soft copy output. Soft copy output, and it is a temporary. Soft copy output is temporary. How it is temporary? Tell me. You temporary soft copy output temporary हुन्छ कसरी हुन्छ भन त
After the sound comes, it will.
Listen, sometimes we type wrong information, otherwise wrong spelling in computer. Yes or no? Suppose computer spelling output spelling output spelling मैले कम्प्युटरमा के टाइप गरे भनेसी OUT POT आउटपुट को स्पेलिङ मैले तो टाइप गरे. What is the spelling of output? OUT POT. Okay. Output spelling. By mistake, I typed there OUT POT. Then it is highlighted in green color or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes or no? Underline with green color. So it is underlined with green color.
Yes.
Green color le underline bhayeपछि we know that spelling is wrong. Yes or no? हामीलाई थाहा हुन्छ त्यो spelling wrong छ. Then we can rub that and we correct them that spelling or not easily. बुझ्यो? त्यहाँ लेखेको स्पेलिङले रङ टाइप गरे त्यो रङ टाइप गरेर डिलिट गरेर फेरि नयाँ लेख्न मिल्छ कि मिल्दैन? It is possible to write new or not?
Yes.
To rub or not?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
So it is temporary in
Yes,
nature.
ma'am.
Temporary in nature. Monitor, and we suppose we listen one music. I don't like that music, otherwise that song. Then we can click on cross button and then we choose new one or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You can
ma'am.
do.
Yes, ma'am.
So अहिले मैले जो सङ सुनिरहेको मलाई मन परेन त्यो सङलाई कट गरेर हाफ सुनेपछि फेरि न्यू सङ मैले चुज गरेर सुन्न मिल्छ कि मिल्दैन स्पिकरमा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So it is temporary in nature. It is not permanent. And then hard copy output is imprinted on a paper is called hard copy output. Suppose, for example, it is permanent in nature. For example, यो जो स्क्रिन छ नि यो स्क्रिन अहिले तिमीले हेरिराखेको स्क्रिनमा
Yes, ma'am.
आउटपुटको स्पेलिङ OUT POT पट भयो. मैले त्यो नोटिस गरेन. त्यसपछि मैले प्रिन्ट निकालेपछि के भयो? त्यो हामीले रब गरेर फेरि त्यो प्रिन्टरमा नयाँ निकाल्न पर्यो कि त्यसैलाई करेक्सन गर्न मिल्छ त्यहाँ?
ma'am. नयाँ निकाल्नु.
नयाँ निकाल्नु पर्छ.
त्यो भनेको त्यो पेपरमा के भयो? त्यो आउटपुटको स्पेलिङ पर्मानेन्ट भयो कि भएन?
Yes, ma'am.
Permanent भयो.
पर्मानेन्ट. अब मैले आई हेभ अ टिपेक्स लगाएर त्यहाँ POT को प्लेसमा PUT लेखे भनेपछि अदर पिपल नो अर नट?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Yeah. So it is permanent in nature. Soft copy is temporary in nature. An example of hard copy output is printer and plotter. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
How
ma'am.
many types of output device?
Two types.
Two types of output device. Soft copy output and hard copy output. And then which output device is permanent in nature?
Hard copy output.
Hard copy output. And what is what do you mean by plotter? You know printer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Printer on a paper form. Yes or no? A4 size paper it support. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you mean by plotter? Do you know? Very good. It is just like a printer. Plotter is just like a printer, but it print a large size of paper. It print on large size of paper. It is generally used on the घरको नक्सा हुन्छ नि नक्सा बनाउन न्यूज पेपरको
Ma'am,
लागि
used for printing vector graphics.
ग्राफिक्सको लागि ब्यानरको लागि we can use plotter. Understood? It's just like a printer, but paper size is bigger than printer paper size, and it is
Yes,
generally used for map, then a newspaper, and then banner. We will use plotter. Understood what is output device?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just now I told you memory unit. The place where we store data and information temporarily or permanently is known as computer memory. The place where we store data and information temporarily or permanently is known as computer memory. And computer memory is divided into two parts: primary memory and secondary memory. And what is primary memory?
The main memory is called primary memory.
The main memory is called primary memory. It is also known as internal memory. Primary memory is also known as
Internal memory.
internal. Primary memory is, primary memory is also known as internal memory. Primary memory store data temporarily or permanently. Primary memory store data and information temporarily or permanently. It stores information during the processing of raw data. It stores data and information processing of raw data. And primary memory is divided into two parts. Primary memory is divided into two types. Number one is
Random access memory. RAM.
RAM
random
and ROM.
access memory and read-only memory. Listen carefully. Primary memory is also known as main memory or internal memory. It is directly connected with CPU. It is directly connected with
CPU.
It is directly connected with CPU, central processing unit. Primary memory store data and information temporarily or permanently. Primary memory के गर्छ information temporarily. It depends on user, right? User ले के instruction दिएछ. Some data are stored in temporarily, some data stored on permanently. But both type of information it can store temporarily and permanently. Primary memory is divided into two parts, RAM and ROM. And listen, you read silently this differentiate between RAM and ROM. Next class I will explain what differentiate between RAM and ROM, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because we don't have time. Do you want to say anything? Share anything? Hazur?
From today, you will post new assignment, and we need to post that assignment in classroom.
Yes.
Ma'am, we cannot submit assignment in streamers.
Yeah. You have problem in binary division.
Ma'am, we also need to do the 8 number, all the numerical problems of binary digits to the decimal digit, like that. All.
Yeah, we already discussed in last class. Yes or no?
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
question you have doubt, then you send me in Google Classroom. Then I will solve it and send to you. And next we will read differentiate between RAM and ROM. Up to here, anyone confusion?
No, ma'am.
And who have not fill up attendance sheet, please write your roll number and section on chat box.